Hello everyone, this is the task number 6. The objective of the task is create a decision tree classifier and represent it visual. Okay, first we import our necessary libraries task pandas, numpy, matplotlib, and with the standard alias pd, np, and plt. Then we load our dataset. It's a iris dataset. It's a default dataset from the scalar dataset, and then we define our df is the iris.data and columns name is iris.feature names. Then we added on is on column that names a species and that target variable, target value. There's our dataset df, the first 5 rows, and then we get the keys of the dataset, iris.keys. There's the keys of our iris data. Then we run our info method. There's the result. Then our descriptive statistics. Then we can analyze our distribution of sepal and petal dimension. First we see the we want to try to see the distribution from of the sepal length, sepal width, and the petal length, petal width. So in this bar plot, we can see the sepal width is almost the normal distribution. Okay, and then visualize the sepal and petal dimension. First, we want to check. We want to visualize our sepal length and sepal width on a scatter plot. Here is a plot. Here we can see that the species 0, that means the green color. The 0 has a small sepal length and a large sepal width. Okay, the same as same as the blue and yellow. And now we can visualize the petal length and petal width with a scatter plot. Here also we can say that the species 0 has 0 means the green is the level, species level. The 0 means the small petal length and petal width. That means that the two petal length and petal width are also small. Okay, the same interpretation for the yellow and blue. Then we run our correlation. Here we see that the petal length and petal width are strongly correlated, but the sepal width and sepal length are not highly correlated. And then we can split our data set and model evaluation. We can create our target and feature variables x and y. Then from a scalar train test split method, we create a train and test set from x and y. The test set is 0.2. After that means we take 20% of total of total data for the test size, and the random set is 1 for 2. Then we import our decision tree classifier from scalar.tree and accuracy score from scalar matrix. Then we call tt equal to decision tree classifier. Then we fit our model from xtrain and ytrain. Then predict our x test. Then we find our accuracy score. The accuracy score is 0.9. And then if we want to visualize our decision tree, then we need some extra libraries that we should download it. There's the command record libraries, and I also upgrade the scikit-learn 0.22 version. Here I provide 3 alternative ways to visualize the decision tree. Alternative 1 is on of them. Yeah, I cannot run this at this time. I run only the second method, and that's the plot. Okay, there's the another alternative way. One can run any of 3. Okay, you can run also this third one. Okay, but I run here only the second one. So that's all for now. Thank you.